Hey guys, Liam O'Malley here. Welcome to Ouchy Bird. Alexander told me to play a year ago in comments below some Flappy Bird video. By the way, I already played Ouchy Bird on Limsky Aklak a year ago, and that was literally in the 14th of October that time. I hate the game. Well, we'll see how even better I can do this time. That one's called Ouchy Bird. What a ridiculous game, you know. Oh dear. Okay. Oh, come on, so close. Damn it, damn it, damn it. See, like, I know what I'm doing in this game, but I can't handle it most of the time whatsoever. See, I'm forgetting. Oh, wow. Oh, dear. Oh, damn it. I keep... Yeah, I'm not used to this game very well. Don't. Oh. Oh. I really keep failing at it. Yeah. I'm doing my best.
Thank God it's Friday. I am pumping my muscles. Nothing bothers me since I trade with a Libertex app. Look, gold is slumping.
Oh. Yes. No. Oh. It's harder. Oh, I did it! I did it! 2 now! 3 4 5! I'm doing it, guys! Look at me! Damn it! Damn it! Oh, damn! Oh! Why wasn't I paying attention there? Woohoo! Like that. Whoa. That's right, guys. I'm just doing it. Of course, I practiced. Damn it! I died again. Thanks, Alexander, for telling me to play this. Oh. Oh, that was close. No. But you know what? 3 more. Yeah, now 2 more goes will do. Okay, guys, that's me playing Ouchy Bird on Liam O'Malley. If you enjoyed, leave a like. And if you didn't also watch the one on Liam's Act Like Ouchy Bird, What a Ridiculous Game, please watch it. Right, laters. This time it was great because I just practiced. I like how I got 5 as my best. Woo!